Welcome back to part 7, team, of PT6 body composition training. And I want to thank you so much for hanging around for so long with this space in front of you, going through all this content. I hope it's been fun. We've got one more thing to go through, and that's your gorilla part 1 and your ostrich part 2 assessments. So ensure that you have something handy to take notes on so you can contact your coach for any further questions, but leave here with a successful overview of what needs to be submitted for these assessments. So guys, starting off with the gorilla part 1, we're looking at this being a group PT project. Now, this will be a clientele of 3 to 12 clients in a group-based scenario whose common goal will be fat loss. You need to design 5 45-minute outdoor training sessions, and that's a key component. They must be outdoor training sessions. You need to address the goal that is weight loss or fat loss for these clients. You must video one of the 45-minute training sessions. You must also make up and give a copy of the info pack designed for this challenge. You need to complete an environmental checklist and submit that as part of your assessments. And if there are any questions about any component of this assessment, please do not hesitate to contact your campus and your coach for your tribe. Next is your part 2 of your ostrich. This is a one-on-one PT challenge. And again, the goal is about fat loss. You need to design 5 45-minute PT sessions for this client, all addressing the goal of fat loss. Please ensure when you submit this assessment, you have 5 images with the client doing a functional movement assessment. You need to interpret the results that you get from this assessment as well and summarize your findings for the submission. If you have any questions, once again, contact your campus and your coaches would be able to help out at any time. Remember, we're here for support all the time, guys, so feel free to contact us and we can assist you in any way possible. So guys, we have made it. Part 7 done and dusted. PT6 body composition training done. We've covered a bucket load of information, and I hope you walk away with some awesome tips on how to work your clients towards body composition goals. We've covered off somatotyping, body composition training for fat loss, and muscle hypertrophy. We've also hit the heavy stuff around mental disorders, around body dysmorphias, and how to look out for the red flags and refer them off accordingly. And then in this final part, looking at the big rocks behind the gorilla part 1 and your ostrich part 2. So team, where you're going from here, we're going to be looking at long-term programming for performance and making fit kids. Kids are one of the most awesome populations to train. They're just so fun and full on as well. You're then going to look at B, the kids PT. You're going to also submit your ostrich part 2 and then start your leopard challenge, which is all around sports conditioning. So guys, if it all makes sense, that is us done and dusted. If you do have any questions from any of these parts, feel free to contact your campus and they can assist you accordingly. Guys, it's been my absolute pleasure taking you through this session, and I wish you all the best with your future assessments and your time as a friend at the Australian Institute of Fitness. My name is Sean, and have a good one. Bye, team.